With a dramatic interest in roundabouts as a means of safer, more cost-efficient intersection control, designing them can be a tedious process. Make your geometric design process easier, smarter, and more efficient. TORUS Roundabouts 6.0 by Transoft Solutions is the most comprehensive tool for roundabout design and analysis. Complete your design in minutes, with immediate speed, safety, and performance feedback to guide you. Dynamically edit your roundabout geometry on the fly, without having to redo manual calculations with each iteration. With TORUS 6.0, you can even design non-circular roundabouts to address physical constraints such as right-of-way, utilities, and other infrastructure. With a collection of safety evaluation tools, designers are provided with editing decisions that reduce iterative cycles and take the roundabout design process to the next level. Perform sightline safety checks with the click of a button. Ensure design vehicles are accommodated by evaluating their movements. Take your roundabout to final design by modeling in 3D. Generate design surface and tie back your existing ground surface with ease. With TORUS 6.0, planning and designing roundabouts has never been easier.